Hey everyone, if you're doing research and want an easy way to collect, organize, and review information from different sources, Glasp can make the process much simpler. In this video, I'll show you how to use Glasp for research step by step. First, sign in to your Glasp account and make sure the Glasp browser extension is installed. Once you're ready, open any article, research paper, blog post, or supported web page you want to study. Next, highlight the most important text as you read. Yeah, every highlight is automatically saved to your Glasp library, so you won't need to search through the same pages again later. After creating a highlight, add a note with your own thoughts, summaries, or research ideas. This helps you remember why the information is important and makes reviewing your research much easier. To keep your research organized, use tags whenever they're available. You can create tags based on your project, topic, or subject to quickly group related highlights together. You can also use Glasp's search feature to instantly find saved highlights and notes by keyword. This saves time when you're working on reports, assignments, or long-term research projects. If you need to use your research in another app, look for the export or share option. Depending on the available features, you may be able to export your highlights and notes or send them to supported productivity tools, and that's it. Now you know how to use Glasp for research and keep all your important information organized in one place. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.